Thief manages to get the key to this F8 Tributo, they copy it, do a relay attack, break into it and program one like they're doing in London at the minute. Try to steal the car, simply not going to start. So what the customer has to do, turn the ignition on, go through a unique code that they choose. For now we just have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a double flash from the cruise control, turn the car off and start. And it fires into life and they can drive away. So once again, if someone copied this key, smashed the window, programmed the key, managed to take this one from you, went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start. Just cranks, it doesn't start. So ignition on, code, for now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, that can be completely custom. Totally up to the customer. You get a double flash from the cruise control, turn the car off, foot on the brake and start. And it fires up and they can drive it. Goes into gear. Ferrari, give us a call on 028 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and we can secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.